In this video, we are going to talk how to create a water drop. First, we create a new layer, then choose the brush tool and make sure the hardness 100. Click once, right click on it, go to the blending option. Add an inner shadow, make sure to select multiply and 100 opacity, distance 10 and size 16. And then add an inner glow, put it normal blend and make sure the opacity 35 and the size 54. And go to the drop shadow and choose the multiply blend and the opacity 8 and distance 12 and just click OK. And then you decrease the brush to paint a different size. Go to filter, liquify, just click OK, select this hand and you can make a regular shape. And just click OK. And you can see the fastest way to create a water drop. Thank you guys.